Hip-hop-poot, Poo-wit, Poo-oot. Here comes Toot-toot. Wake up, Florrie's dragons, wake up.
Wake up!
With a bim-bam-bom, to-dim-to-dom. Here comes Pom and Pom. Wake up, Florrie's dragons, wake up.
Wake up!
With a flip-flop-flash, a wish-a-wash. Here comes Splish-splash. Wake up, Florrie's dragons, wake up.
Wake up!
With a whiz-bang-boom, zoom-zoom. Here comes Zoom-zoom. Whee! Wake up, dear dragon! Wake up, dear dragon! Wake up!
Wake up!
With a giggle and a yawn and bubbles galore, Florrie's dragons are asleep no more. Hiccups! Got it! Whoa! Toot-toot, you made us jump!
Sorry, Florrie. I was trying out my new huge Sousa megaphonium to see how it plays.
Well, it plays loudly.
You're right. It's the loudest, hugest Sousa megaphonium in the world. What do you say, dear dragon? Did it make you jump? Yes, it did. And I swallowed a bubble. I've never swallowed a bubble before.
Oh, dear dragon, are you all right?
I think so. I think you are okay, my friend. Yes, I think I...
You've got hiccups.
I haven't.
You have.
Oh, no. I've never had hiccups before. They feel funny.
Don't worry, dear dragon. We'll find a cure. Come on. Right, dear dragon, try saying this. I will not hiccup again.
I will not hiccup again. Whoopsie bubbles.
Try again, dear dragon.
I will not hiccup again.
One more time, dear dragon.
Okay, if you think so, I will not hiccup again. I think it's... Oh.
Let's find Paprika. She'll know what to do. Paprika! We need your help.
Florrie, dear dragon, whatever is the matter?
We've got an emergency.
An emergency?
Yes. Listen.
Hiccups. Well, I might have just the thing.
What's this?
It's a banquet berry, a very juicy fruit that tastes of all the courses in a banquet. Try it.
Go on, dear dragon. It'll get rid of your hiccups.
Well, if you say so.
What does it taste of, dear dragon?
It tastes of soup. Tomato soup.
That's the first course.
And now... Oh, sardines. Oh.
He doesn't like sardines.
Oh, yum. Now roast beef and... Oh, yes. Chocolate tart.
The dessert. So, dear dragon, have the hiccups gone? dear. Oh, no.
Paprika! Now you've got the hiccups too.
Sorry.
It's spreading. What are we going to do?
Someone must know how to cure the hiccups. Come on. Zoom Zoom! Are you there?
Hello, Florrie. What can I do for you?
Do you know a cure for hiccups?
Abso-zoom-zoom-lutely. You just need to get dizzy.
Dizzy?
Yes. Come and bounce on my launch pad. Those hiccups will soon get bounced away.
Oh, yeah. Oh, 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 yeah.
How do you feel, dear dragon?
Oh, dizzy.
Good stuff. Now, I think you'll find those hiccups have zoom-zoomed away. Hic!
Oh, Zoom Zoom! Now you've got the hiccups too. Let's see if Splish Splash can help.
Hic!
Hic.
Are you sure, Splish Splash?
Oh yes, Florrie. Drinking water upside down is a definite cure for the hiccups. Just you see.
I'm falling.
Me too!
Oh no! Poor Splish Splash. You see? They're all hiccuping.
I see. Very peculiar. I mean, very peculiar. Don't worry, Florrie. I'll soon get rid of these hiccups.
Casimir,
Oh, dear.
not
I
you
say.
too.
Hic. Ooh. Hic. Hic. Hic.
Hic. Hic. Hic.
Hic!
Hic.
Hic!
Hic.
Hic!
Hic.
Hic!
Hic.
Hic!
Hic.
Hic! Hic! Princess Florrie, what on earth is going on?
Oh, Ferdinand, everyone has got the hiccup.
Well, how on earth did that happen? You should be more careful. I can't have a castle full of hiccuping dragons.
Now you've got them too.
Clearly.
I don't know how to stop them.
Well, actually, I have heard that hiccups can be cured with a loud shock.
How about hic?
I'll be back in a tick.
Hic.
Hic! Hic!
Which bit do I blow in?
Oh, this bit. Wait, wait. I'll hold it steady.
I say, Florrie, was that really necessary?
You gave us all a terrible shock.
Well done, Florrie.
Well done, but... Oh! My hiccups. They've gone.
Well done, Florrie.